Turn on the machine. Adjust the laser parameters. And clamp the sheet metal. New construction project. Check the first two options. Click Empty to open the Add program. Click on the basic conditions and select Move. Click Move to adjust the idle running speed of the robotic arm and share it. Click on Waypoint, Set Waypoint, and start setting the origin position. Adjust the position and posture of the gun head through the directional keys or manually. Click on the basic conditions. Then click on Waypoint to add the next waypoint. Adjust position, confirm. Basic conditions, click Set, set laser signal. Start setting the processing path. Set laser movement speed. Set the starting and ending points for processing. The starting point of each move is consistent with the ending point of the previous move. Add weight, fuse wire. Add set, turn off laser signal. Set the path and move the laser head to a safe location.